Be honest, have you ever been guilty of buying something just because you saw it on Instagram? Guilty, and I'm not even ashamed to admit it. Instagram made me buy it. Hey loves, it's Selene and welcome back to my channel. The joy of online shopping is that you get to purchase something online, so that already gets you excited, and then you wait for it to come in the mail, so the anticipation of getting it makes it even more exciting. Is that weird? And for that reason I love subscription box services, and one that I've been dying to try out is FabFitFun. Everybody talks about it and I always see it on Instagram and Pinterest. I got my own. The thing about FabFitFun is that they have a really good reputation when it comes to well-known brand products that are inside, as well as full-size products. You don't get the sample size, and you get over $250 worth of products in each box. You do get one box every season, so that's 4 boxes in a year. I partnered up with FabFitFun in this video to share with you guys what's inside of mine, and if you guys want to try your own box for the first month, then you can use my coupon Belinda and you will get $10 off your first box. So let's get started. This was a sneak peek that I saw for this season's box, and I was so excited because I love traveling bags. You guys know that I often travel, and so it's nice to carry little cute stuff with you, and sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, I get bored of my bags that I use and I want to change it up a little bit. So I like that this one has a compartment for your brushes inside right here, and then you can flip this open and flip it closed to make sure that your brushes stay in place. Then it also has a zipper right here, and you can carry your jewelry inside of there if you want, or other things that you want to keep nice and secure. This is from the brand Yumi Kim, and this one retails for $58. You get a full-size makeup palette here. This is a lip palette from the brand ISH. It comes with this little felt bag. So these are what the colors look like. They're really pretty. Oh, I like this one. This one's probably my favorite color. This is something that I would keep in my makeup artist train case, because you can easily clean off your brush and then you can pick up a different color and put it on a different person. So this palette retails for $42 and you get the full-size product. Alright, next we have the Ahava Mineral Hand Cream, and I cannot tell you how important hand cream is to me because I just have the most ashiest hands. If you're my friend and you need lotion, you know which friend of the group has hand lotion with them at all times. So I like this one because it is full size, so I can keep this next to my sink or something, because I go through hand lotion like crazy. It retails for $33. That's crazy. I don't think I've ever paid that much money for hand lotion, so I'm glad that I was able to get the luxury of it in my box. This reminds me of a Yankee Candle. Get those cuticles, girl. The next product that we have inside of our box is this one right here, and it is a facial cleanser. This is the Whish Beauty Rice and Milk Rose Cream Cleanser, and this retails for $24, which I think is kind of pricey, but it's nice that it's in this box for you to be able to test it out first before committing to it. And another skincare product that we also have inside is a Pure Lisse Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer, and this was an option that you could choose. It was between this and a necklace, and I'm glad that I got this one because I do like trying out different products for your skin, because I feel like that's the only way for you to find out what works for your skin type, because certain products can be really expensive, so it's hard to try them out and them not work, and then you spend a bunch of money on a bunch of skincare products that you don't need or that don't work for your skin. So it's nice to be able to try them out. This retails for $45, which is crazy, and this is a balancing moisturizer, and it's for hydration, it's for fine line prevention, and also perfect for underneath your makeup, so you could use this as a primer if you'd like. I need the card for this next one. This is the Frail Luna Fofo. It is Frail's newest revolutionary device, and it's powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the Frail app. This is a facial cleansing brush, which I've heard of before, and it retails for $89. They give you 1, 2, 3 products that come in every box, and then the rest you get options of choosing what you want. This is the Korres Shower Gel in Japanese Rose. There was also some kind of reviving pads, almost like a mask thing, but I decided to go for this one instead, and it smells really good. This is just a shower gel. Oh my god. It really does smell pretty good, and this one retails for $18.50. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. I was like, what is making this box smell amazing when I opened it? And I honestly thought that it was going to be the hand cream, but it's not. And it's actually the Body Wash Infused Buffer. And this is great for exfoliating. I need this when I'm shaving my legs because sometimes I get razor bumps from shaving, and I thought that I lathered up and exfoliated really good, and I don't. I didn't even give you guys a proper name for this. This is the Spongel Body Wash Infused Buffer in Papaya. Restores your skin, leaving it soft as silk, and retails for $16. Alright, so that wraps up what is inside the FabFitFun box. Try saying that 5 times. It's a tongue twister. I will have a link down below where you guys can find this down in the description box below. Don't forget to use my coupon code to get $10 off your first box. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these unboxing videos for FabFitFun because I love unboxing videos, especially when it's like something that I have too, because I get to see somebody else's opinion on it and kind of elaborate more on the products, and I get to learn more things. So it is fun for me. Let me know if you guys want to see these, and I will talk to you guys in my next video, which is besos. Mwah! And welcome back to my Instagram, welcome back to my channel. That's how you know I haven't filmed in 2 weeks.